We're throwing down a robotic rumble, pitting two titans of the tidy turf against each other. The sleek Laresar Evol 3 and the ever-reliable ABIR X6. Buckle up, because we're about to see which one reigns supreme in the quest for sparkling floors and dust-free dominion. Get ready for a battle royal of suction power, smart features, and cleaning prowess. First up, let's judge their book by its cover, or rather their sleek shells. The Evol 3 cuts a dashing figure with its modern design, reminiscent of a stealthy spaceship ready to conquer dust bunnies. The X6 embraces a classic circular form, like a seasoned warrior who knows the importance of maneuverability. Both boast laser-guided navigation, but the Evol 3 ups the ante with extra obstacle-dodging sensors, potentially making it a smoother mover on your obstacle course of furniture. Imagine it gracefully gliding around your pet toys, while the X6 might take a more strategic, bump-and-learn approach. Now let's get down to the dirty details, literally. The Evol 3 throws punches with a mighty 2700 PA of suction, enough to lift even the most stubborn crumbs and pet hair. The X6 counters with a respectable 2500 PA, no slouch in the dust-busting department. But remember, power ain't everything. We'll unleash these robotic beasts on carpets, hard floors, and even the dreaded pet hair battlefield to see which one truly conquers the grime gremlins. Will the Evol 3's brute force prevail? Or will the X6's efficient techniques reign supreme? Stay tuned to find out. Modern homes demand modern vacuums. Both come equipped with smartphone apps for scheduling cleanings, remote control, and keeping tabs on their cleaning adventures. But which app reigns supreme in terms of user-friendliness and intuitive design? We'll explore features like virtual walls and multi-map memory to see who offers more control over your cleaning kingdom. Imagine setting no-go zones for delicate rugs with the Evol 3 app, or having the X6 remember the layout of your entire house for multi-floor cleaning. Both offer convenience, but which one offers the smoothest user experience? Nobody wants a vacuum that conks out halfway through a cleaning mission, leaving tumbleweeds of dust in its wake. We'll put their batteries to the test, comparing life and charging times to see which one keeps your floors spotless for longer. Imagine the Evol 3 conquering your entire house in one go, while the X6 might need a mid-mission recharge. Maintenance is key too, so we'll delve into dustbin capacity, filter cleaning requirements, and overall ease of maintenance to see which one saves you precious time and effort. Will the Evol 3's larger dustbin mean less frequent emptying, or will the X6's self-cleaning filters make maintenance a breeze? Finally, let's talk about the price tag. The Evol 3 comes in at a slightly steeper price than the X6, but does that extra cost translate into better value? We'll weigh the pros and cons of each model, considering design, features, performance, and maintenance, to see which one offers the most bang for your buck. Remember, the best value isn't just about the price tag. It's about finding the vacuum that perfectly fits your needs and budget. It depends. The answer, as always, hinges on your specific needs and cleaning priorities. If you crave cutting-edge design, obstacle-dodging prowess, and the latest smart features, the Evol 3 might be your champion. But if you're on a budget and value raw suction power and ease of maintenance, the X6 could be your cleaning hero. Ultimately, the best robot vacuum is the one that fits your home and lifestyle perfectly. We hope this epic showdown helped you narrow down your choices and find your ideal cleaning companion.